vlog. So for today's video, may gala kami ngayon ng aking bunso. Ayan po siya. Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ito na naman tayo.
We're going to the party!
Tita Ninang of the Year. Say hi!
Hello!
Hi to my vlog! Chanel's vlog. Chanel's vlog. Breakfast time.
Kasi, pero may chocolate dyan.
What's up guys? Ay.
Hello to vlog!
Hello! So, nakapasok na kami sa venue. Napakadilim. Walang tao. Lipson. Naliligaw kami. Ay, dito ba? Ayun! Echt? Ich hab mir das größer vorgestellt. Kilala kita! Hi, Vlog! Hi, Vlog! Uy! Another familiar face is in here. Hi! Hello!
Today, we come together to celebrate the true spirit of Christmas. Joy, love, and unity with Jesus. Through the gift of music, each participant has poured her heart into every note, reminding us that the holidays are about sharing our talents and upholding one another. Ako yung host, so ako yung nakanta ulit.
Yes!
Madami tayong participants ngayon. Mga 30 participants tayo. Hanggang bukas na tayo. Okay? And now, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to introduce a distinguished guest joining us this evening. She served as the secretary, Consul and Administrative Officer at the Philippine Embassy in Germany.
Yes.
Dedication to fostering strong ties between the Philippines and Germany.
Parang
Reflects her commitment to serving the Filipino community abroad. Let us warmly welcome Ms. Mina L. Gazon to our celebration this afternoon.
kilala ko yun.
Magandang hapon sa lahat. Ayong hapon. Guten Tag. So, on behalf of Ambassador Irene Cisa Natividad, who has prior commitments in Hanover, Kiel, and Lubeck, I extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt thanks to everyone gathered here today for this
Hello po, good afternoon sa lahat. Thank you very much for coming po sa ating Christmas Carol competition. Maraming salamat po sa pagdating. Kahit alam po namin na malamig, umuulan. Actually, we had a lot of people na nag-register po sa atin, but we don't know ano po yung nangyari. Some has canceled their trip here to Hamburg, at marami po talaga yung kumbaga hindi natuloy because of certain circumstances. But we really thank you po everybody for coming. Sobrang maraming salamat po. It's actually a Thanksgiving party as well for PIP Team. PIP Team stands for Positive Impact Productions and Pintig Pinoy, IFAO. Maraming salamat po talaga sa inyong pong pag-support.
But first, first na yun, so second. We will meet our esteemed panel of judges. Kasi madami tayong contestant, 30. For this afternoon Christmas Carol competition. These individuals bring a wealth of talent, creativity, and expertise to the table, ensuring that our participants are in excellent hands. Our first judge is a gifted songwriter and a true inspiration. He is the vice chairman of Pintig Pinoy, IFAO, and has penned the upcoming holiday anthem, Santa's Back in Town. Which will be released on Spotify and Apple Music this December 19, 2024. With his passion for music and artistic flair, he's here to bring a songwriter's perspective to tonight's competition. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Rafael Moore. Our second judge is a visionary leader and a powerhouse in the creative industry. She is the chairman of Pintig Pinoy IFAO, the business owner of ECC Angelic Creative Concepts, and the chief operating officer of Positive Impact Productions. Her expertise in media and her dedication to empowering Filipino talents make her a perfect judge for tonight. Please welcome Miss Angelica Romero! Wala naman kayo energy. Gusto mo na? Isa pa? Yun! So our third judge is a celebrated online personality and a family-oriented content creator with over 400,000 YouTube subscribers. Known as Team Blended, their channel highlights through daily routines, the beauty of life in a multicultural family, and the joy of spreading the love and happiness. From the Philippines to Madagascar and now here in Germany, they inspire thousands. Let's give a big round of applause for Miss Stephanie Lasha. Thank you, ma'am. And last but certainly not the least, our fourth judge is a certified Christmas canon. Her keyboardist, songwriter, and composer. Her choir group has won the prestigious yearly Daigon contest in Cebu City, Philippines, in my hometown.
Yeah.
4 times, providing her unparalleled dedication to caroling. She is also the owner and CEO of Positive Impact Productions since year 2016. She is the founder and executive producer of Pintig Pinoy IFAO, and she is also an ambassador of Kadasi, an independent record label for Visayan pop songs that produce the Visayan songs hits like Atikra, Atikra, Atikra. Yun ba yun? My Morena girl, my Morena girl. And let's give a heartfelt welcome to Miss Gigi Niemen of Cliazo. So, madami tayong contestant ngayon.
30.
30. Yung tawag mo sa kanya kay si Norman.
Uncle.
Alchoy.
Woo!
Hey, wala bang Tagalumay dyan? Si Sir Emil Zamora. A big round of applause.
Yes! Yes! Nadunan kay Pugas ba? Nagulat ako dun. Uwian na.
Yung outfit.
You
Talagang hilig yung asawa.
Hindi naman tama. Hindi ka siya.
Kaya pala naging 30. Kasi may choir sumali.
Kampana ng simbahan ay nagigising na, at waring nagsasabing na tayo'y magsimba. Magising ng pagbago, tayo'y magsalakal, at masiglang tunurin ang ating sambahan. Ang kampana ay tuluyan ng gigising upang tayo'y lahat ay manalangin ng bendisyon. Kapag nakanta na, tayo'y magkaroon ng higit na pag-asa. Ding dong ding dong ding, ding dong ding dong ding dong ding. Kampana ng simbahan ay nagigising na, at waring nagsasabi na tayo'y magsimba. Magising at magbangon, tayo'y magsilakad, at masiglang tunguhin ang ating simbahan. Ang kampana ay tuluyan ng gigising upang tayo lahat ay manalangin ng bendisyon.
Okay, next is bring me your HVV or Deutschland ticket. You can just show it to me. Back up front, here. Hanggang hindi ko nakikita, walang nanalo. Tapos pipikit pala ako. Yes, congratulations. Bakit pa batuhin lang? Congrats! Okay, next one, be careful po tayo paalala lang po. Bring me a baby or a toddler.
Hoy!
Ayan ang hinihintay nyo. Nasa mga...
Hoy, sasali! Anak ko! Kasama yung anak ko!
Yung bata na siya. Ano to? Congrats po. Ano ito? Ah, diba? Sino magulang yan? Okay. Ang kita baby.
You give me love and give me much kids with hugs and
So, first of all, the New York trip, right?
Yun na kagad?
The New York trip goes to because the ticket number. We wanted the trip to New York. The last digits of this number. Digits 7, 1, 2, 2, 4. Congratulations.
Anong pangalan?
71224. The name is Katrina Akbayan. Those two Philippines, your hometown probably. So, the ticket number first starts with 7, 1, 2, 4, 5. This is Michael Casizzo.
Picture ka rin natin, Jenny.
Jenny, pakita mo yung outfit mo!
99.2%. Our champion is
Lipson!
is Pika and Picture na, ma'am.